is Nicole here. Today I'm so excited because I am going to enter into the building right behind me. It's called the Amazon Sphere. So it's free, it opens to public every other Saturday. So before you visit Seattle or before you come to that place, make sure to go online to schedule your free reservation. So I couldn't get my spots reserved, but if you know anyone working for Amazon and they have the time to take you in, you still can get in there during weekdays. So today my friend Sharon is going to take me in, and I'm so excited because I know there are tons of houseplant, tropical plants living there, and I heard they're huge and has a lot of varieties. So, well, shall we go? When you first walk into the spheres, this is what you can see, a huge living wall. How tall is this wall? From floor 1 to floor 4. It's massive, it's huge. Well, let's look at some plants. They are the flowers from the bird of paradise. I actually never seen red and yellow in person. This bird of paradise at least 2 floors high. Sometimes I wish my plants could be that big. This is a philodendron. I don't know the name. Oh gosh, they have so many plants here, over 40,000 plants, so I don't know how many I can name. Look at this plant. This is Philodendron Verrucosum. It's huge compared to my hand. So I didn't put my hand on the leaves because in the Amazon spheres they have a rule. You cannot touch any of the plants. That's why I kind of have to put my hand aside. This is a very beautiful flower. Some potho, I think, of philodendron. Not sure what it is, so if you know, comment it. Looks like a Philodendron Gloriosum here, but I'm not sure because the leaves are quite long. Okay, this is a Philodendron Tenue. Very beautiful, very huge, very long. Oh my gosh. Philodendron Pedatum, very viney, it's growing up. It's actually very tall, very mature plant. I'm pretty sure this is Philodendron Gloriosum. Like this one, I am not sure because they are very long. And the leaves are so huge, probably bigger than my face. Some begonia, they're so beautiful. And some Calathea, I don't know what Calathea is that. And look at the fern below it. It's like a Japanese fern, but it's not pink. It doesn't have the pink on it, so I'm not sure. They are so beautiful. Can I take some home? Here is another bird of paradise also flowering. Very beautiful. Some peperomia. More fern. There's a begonia. Really like the color. And some trees. I don't know what they are. Here we have some bromeliad or bromeliad. Not sure, but there are a lot of varieties here. Some Calathea, raffle snake. Oh, we also have some Peperomia Caperata. It's flowering. So pretty. It's like pink, slight pink color. I don't know what that silvery dark color thing is. Begonia, I have this one, Begonia maculata YDI. I have this one at home, also flowering. This one is massive though, even though in camera it looks small, but in person it's like at least 1 meter high. I think we should show some appreciation to the nature. This beautiful girl is the Calathea Musaica or the Calathea network. It's so pretty. Hey, they also have brown edges. In the spheres, They usually keep the temperature around 72 degrees Fahrenheit with humidity at around 60 to 65%. And in the evening, when there's no one here, they would bump it up to 80 or even 85%. But they still have brown edges. So if you have Calathea at home that has brown tips, brown edges, don't blame yourself. You're okay. We all learn. Probably we should buy something different. If the plant feels comfortable, we might not feel comfortable as a human being with 80% humidity in our house. This plant is interesting. I don't know what it is, but it looks like fern to me. But the leaves are huge, like bigger than a quarter. And we have more fern tree, very beautiful. I wish they could survive in my house. This is a pitcher plant. This is also a type of fern, I believe, but I don't know the name. This is a beautiful orchid. It's huge too. So this is a corner, a little room for people to work, to have a meeting. How nice is that? I would love to have a meeting there. If I ever work for Amazon, I would love to just stop by here every day after work or during lunch break. It's so pretty and so relaxing here. Research and science prove that when people are in the nature around some green leaves, they are more productive. Since the 4th floor is closed, we are not able to visit, and it's about 6 o'clock. We have to leave no matter what. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you like it, subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys next week.